This is a persimmon. It is a sweet, soft fruit, delicious. But did you know this little fruit once scared away a giant tiger? The tiger thought this fruit was a terrible monster. Why? Because he was listening at the wrong time. Today's story is about a misunderstanding that saved a village. It is called The Tiger and the Dried Persimmon. Once upon a time, deep in the mountains of Korea, there lived a tiger. He was huge. He had sharp teeth. He had stripes like fire. He was the king of the mountain. Everyone was afraid of him. One winter night, the tiger was very hungry. Grrr, gurgle. His stomach rumbled. "I need meat," growled the tiger. "I need a cow, or a pig, or maybe a delicious human." So the tiger crept down the mountain. He walked quietly on his soft paws. Pad, pad, pad. He came to a small village. The tiger stopped outside a small house. He heard a noise inside. Wah! Wah! It was a baby crying. The tiger licked his lips. A baby, he thought, a nice, soft snack. He crouched under the window. He prepared to jump inside. But then he heard the mother's voice. "Hush, hush, little one," said the mother. "Stop crying, please stop." The baby cried louder. "Wah! Wah!" The mother said, "Look, there is a fox outside. He will hear you." The baby kept crying. The tiger was surprised. "This baby is brave," he thought. "He is not afraid of a fox." Then the mother said, "Look, there is a bear outside. He will eat you." The baby kept crying. The tiger was impressed. "Wow, he is not afraid of a bear either." Then the mother said the magic words. "Hush! Look, there is a tiger outside." The tiger puffed out his chest. "Yes," he thought, "be afraid. I am the tiger." He waited for the baby to stop crying, but the baby cried louder. "Where? Where?" The tiger was shocked. "What?" he thought. "He is not afraid of me. I am the king of the mountain. Why is he not scared?" The tiger felt nervous. This must be a very powerful baby. Suddenly, the mother said, "Look, here is a dried persimmon." Immediately, the crying stopped. Silence. The baby stopped crying to eat the sweet fruit. But the tiger outside, he misunderstood. He didn't know what a persimmon was. He thought, "Oh no, the baby stopped crying." He was not afraid of the fox. He was not afraid of the bear. He was not afraid of the tiger. But he is afraid of the persimmon. The tiger started to shake. This persimmon must be a terrible monster. It must be fiercer than me. If it catches me, I am dead. At that exact moment, a thief climbed onto the roof of the house. He wanted to steal the family's cow. He jumped down from the roof and he landed right on the tiger's back. Thump. The tiger was terrified. "Ah!" shouted the tiger. "It is the persimmon! The persimmon has caught me!" The tiger ran. Zoom! He ran as fast as he could. He wanted to escape the monster on his back. The thief was terrified too. He thought he had jumped on a cow, but this cow was running very fast. He held on tight to the tiger's neck. "This is a demon cow," thought the thief. "If I let go, I will die." So they ran. The tiger ran through the forest. Crash, smash! The thief held on for dear life. The tiger thought, "This persimmon is heavy and it has strong arms. It is trying to choke me." The thief thought, "This cow is crazy. It is running like the wind." They ran for miles. They ran up the mountain. They ran down the valley. Finally, the sun started to rise. The thief saw that he was riding a tiger. "Oh no!" screamed the thief. "I am riding a tiger." He saw a low tree branch. As the tiger ran under the tree, the thief grabbed the branch. Whoosh! He swung up into the tree and hid in the leaves. The tiger felt the weight disappear. "Phew," said the tiger, "the persimmon is gone. I escaped." He ran all the way back to his cave. He was sweating. He was shaking. He told his friend, the monkey. "Monkey," said the tiger, "never go to the village. There is a monster there called a persimmon. It jumped on my back. It almost killed